Exercise 4.4 question number 5. The sum of the numerator and denominator of fraction is 4. The sum of the numerator and denominator of a fraction is 4 more than twice the numerator at the time. Numerator and denominator of a fraction at the fraction 2 x by y can do it. Let the required fraction be x by y. X numerator, y denominator. Tinani. So one equation can't a sentence. A sentence. The sum of a numerator and denominator. Numerator le denominator be home two. Numerator le denominator be home two. The sum of the numerator and denominator of fraction is 4 more than 4 more. It's 4 belt. Twice the numerator. Twice 2 times the numerator to x. Equation here x plus y is equal to 4 plus 2x. You can simplify x le x minus 2x minus 2x minus 2x x equals 1 x minus x minus x plus y is equal to 4 4 y is equal to 4 plus x. Equation 1 2x le lama page minus x minus 2x2 minus x. And a sentence sentence one. If the numerator and denominator are increased by 3, numerator and denominator ka 3 kati pun one, they are in the ratio 2:3. Numerator 3 ka bela, denominator po 3 ka bel one, ratio 2 by 3 aron changa 2:3 2 by 3 dinani. Juan hey po he can simplify it only, which implies can be hey cross multiply only. 3x plus 9 is equal to 2y plus 6. 3 into x, 3x, 3 3 is 9. 2 into y, 2y, 2 into 3 is 6. And here to simplify 3x 2y minus 2y equal to 6 minus 9 to minus 3. 3x minus 2y is equal to minus 3. Equation 2. So equation 1 here, y we can need to find can substitute substituting equation 1 in equation 2, we get equation yi 4 plus x dazel to 3x minus 2 into yi 4 plus x equals to minus 3. So one ka punti root 3x minus 4 to 8 minus into plus minus 2 into x 2x equals to minus 3. So one like terms take a chocolate only. Which implies 3 minus 2x to x and minus 8 elama page plus minus 3 plus 8 to 5. X look to 5 and numerator to 5 and denominator y can putting x equals to 5 in equation 1. Equation 1 equation 1 to y is equal to 4 plus x and x 5 y to 9. Therefore required fraction required fraction to x by y change to 5 by 9. 5 by 9 and so on. 5 by 9. Question number 6 akan do le nga langa. 5 years ago, A was twice as old as B, and 10 years later, A shall be twice as old as B. What are the present ages of A and B? Let the present ages of A and B be X and Y respectively. Tuna an kum chu A kum chu X, B kum chu Y no second ti tani. So man ti nga a question an 5 years ago ti kum nga liam ta khan ti nani 5 years ago. Tuna A kum X ni chuan 5 years ago chuan kum nga pai mai tu ni X minus 5 chuan B po kum nga liam ta chuan Y minus 5 phano ni mai don ta ni therefore kan tinga question akan du tang 5 years ago chuan A was twice as old as B. A was twice as old as B. X2 B kum let thum ni ka ti question 1 mai chuan question ka den le 10 years later ati 10 years later tu na tanga kum som lo la tu ra chuan A chu tu na kum X alania kum X a te ni bel mai ang kum som mi bel mai ang chu tiang bokin B is H2 Y plus 10 ani mai sorry helai ka ti sual direct pa kum nga liam ta chuan A chu X minus 5 chu 3 times Y minus 5 to chuan ka simplify nga X minus 5 is equals to 3Y minus 15 chuan X minus 3Y is equals to minus 15 plus 5 to minus 10 equation 1 sorry to ka chu thang no pang aw bing chin to kan chuan so kum som lo la tu ra chuan A shall be twice as old as B. A to B kum let in ai renga ti na ni X plus 10 is equals to 2Y plus 20 chuan X minus 2Y is equal to 20 minus 10 to 10 equation 2 chuan equation 1 le truk en long vonga X ai na ngani an ang che chu wang chuan assign point ang che subtracting subtracting equation 2 from equation 1 equation 2 equation 1 akan pai chuan hai equation 1 chu X minus 3Y equal to minus 10 ya equation 2 to X minus 2Y is equal to 10 ano niya subtracting ani chuna noi jok sign thak vector hi minus ni nga hi plus ni nga hi bo minus so it's nga X minus X2 as 0 minus 3Y plus 2Y2 minus Y ya minus 10 to minus 20 minus answer Y2 20 tu na B kum chu 20 years B chu kum chu ani chuan hi equation 2 also putting Y equal to 20 in equation 2 we get kan tele equation 2 kan da chuan X minus 2Y or 2 times 20 equals 10 lo nia X sama chau ka da chuan 10 minus 22 minus 40 ni le lama pe chuan plus 40 X is equal to 50 therefore present age of A is 50 years. So nga niya, chuan present age of B is 20 years old. Kum som ngali kum som I ani chu. Question number 6 chai ba ni